Loveshot by Danny Riopel. December 1999. Damn, it's been a long time. She met him at a high school dance. He said he liked her hair. They knew that this was their big chance. If not, they didn't care, 'cause life at home for both of them was boring, dull, and cold. And now, at last, they'd met someone to love till they grew old. They ran away and married, young Bobby and young Beth, and soon they had a baby whom they could just love to death. But babies find it hard to say what's really on their minds. And not all babies want to play. They're going to cry sometimes. After a while, the crying would really just get on their nerves. Since she's the ma, must be her fault, so he'd give her what she deserves. But then he'd say he's sorry to his baby and his Beth, how much he truly cared for them, how he just loved them to death. Still, their anger at each other seemed to grow as time went by. Some days she'd have a broken arm, some nights a new black eye. But it wasn't Bobby's fault at all. The baby made him sore. She pressed the pillow over its face until it moved no more. And as she felt its struggling frame grow weak from lack of breath, she knew this was the thing to do. She so loved her man to death. She cried at all the right times when she told her man her tale. The police believed her story 'cause she never went to jail. But the crib death didn't end the rage. In fact, the fights went on. During one, she screamed the truth at him, and then his mind was gone. He took a gun and shot her. In the brain he shot his Beth. Then he aimed it at his own head. Damn, he'd love that girl to